guys, today I'm going to show you how I organize my spice cabinet buttercup. So I hope you get some great ideas and you enjoy a lot. So these are the main materials I'm going to be using. It's first of all this easy liner, which is just the cabinet liner, and this cabinet organizer that I found at Walmart, and it extends and it's got like different like little steps. So yeah, let's do this. This is a cabinet where I have my spices, and it's not bad, it's just that I can't see the things that I have, and I really like cooking with different flavors, and I think being able to see what I have is really gonna help me. Alright, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything out. By the way, that's like rule number one for anything organization: take everything out, clear out the space. So that's what I'm gonna do. The next step is to clean this space up. You know what? I feel like this cabinet is really dark and I really want to make sure I can see everything I have. So I remembered I have these tiny lights, but they're battery powered, that I use for my tuppers. I have a video about that. I'm going to link it somewhere. I'm going to have a card up here somewhere. But yeah, I think I'm gonna use one of those lights here. It's gonna look really nice and it's gonna give me all the light that I need. So let me go find it. I found the light. Okay, that's not so funny. I found the light. Anyway, I'm gonna install this. Well, I installed the light, and basically how it works is it has a little sensor here on the door, and when I close it and that sensor comes in contact with this, the light turns off. And I'll leave it off for right now, but I'll show you at the end how it looks to the final product. Next, I separated the spices. So here are my baking spices like cinnamon and vanilla, etc. And over here I have all of the, I guess you would say savory or salty spices that I use to cook things like chicken, meat, etc. Next, I'm going to use this easy liner to line the shelf. All I'm going to do is measure it out and then cut a piece that fits this place. I'm so excited to use this one. So really cool thing about it is it expands. So let's try it. The spices that I don't use as often, I'm gonna put in the back. So what I'm thinking is on this side, I'm gonna leave all the savory spices, and on this one, I'm gonna leave my baking stuff like cinnamon, etc. So hopefully it works. Alright guys, this is going to be it for today. I hope I motivated you to organize your spice cabinet, and I hope these little tips and tricks are really helpful to you. I will see you really soon in the next video. Bye! Guys, so this is my kitty Mama Pancake, and she's been loving it that we took the blinds away, and I just left the curtains, and she's just been sunbathing since. She's so cute. Look at her.